Bonjour les amis, today I'm going to teach you how to do a croque madame. Croque madame is a perfect meal for the ladies in Paris. So, to do a croque madame, what do you need? You need some hams, some bread, some cheese, some bechamel, some butter, and egg. The first step in this recipe is very simple. You need to take your bread and put some butter on it. This butter are going to help your bread to become very crispy. So you just put like that. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect because everything is going to melt. So step 2, as soon as you put your butter, you can put your bread back and you're going to turn your bread like that because this part is going to cook on the oven or in air fryer. Tonight I'm going to show you in air fryer because it's economical and it's quicker than an oven. So I put like that. I'm going to put my bechamel as always. If you don't know how to do bechamel, I did a video for that. In just 5 minutes, you have a nice bechamel. Doesn't need to buy it in supermarket. So you put your bechamel on top of your bread, like that. After you put your nice ham. So I'm going to put a very nice piece of ham, little bit more bechamel on top. This everything is going to cook together and is going to melt all together. After I'm going to put some cheese. Like that. And you finish with your second piece of bread and another layer of bechamel. So the top doesn't need to be too much bechamel. You try to align everything. Another layer of cheese. You like that? So the first one, I'm going to do exactly the same for the second one. And we're going to see later how to cook it in our air fryer. I just finished to assemble the croque madame. And now we're going to cook in our air fryer. Air fryer is very good. We love that. So I'm going to put on mask crisps and I'm going to put the time, believe me or not, it's just 8 minutes for 2 croque monsieur. I'm going to put the first croque madame in the basket, 1, the second croque madame in the basket, 2, and because we're cooking exactly the same recipe, I'm going to push match, like that you can see 8 minutes, they are the same setting, push this button, it's on. And in 8 minutes, croque madame is ready. Just need to cook an egg and put the egg on the top. 1.5 minutes left for the croque madame to be cooked. We're going to prepare the sunny egg on top. So for people who don't know how to do that, I have a video on top as well. I explain how to cook every kind of egg. So my pan is hot. I'm going to add some salt. We have 2 croque madame, so we're going to have 2 egg, sunny egg. And we're going to put little bit sauce on the white. And little bit pepper as well. So this egg are going to be finished to cook. Meantime, 30 seconds, let's check. It's ready. I'm not lying when I said 8 minutes is enough, because actually 7 minutes, 35 seconds is enough. So if you Want to see the croque monsieur? And after it's going to become a croque madame with the egg on top. So I'm going to remove my croque monsieur. Always use utensil with plastic to not damage your air fryer. So my croque monsieur is ready. I just need to finish my sunny egg. I'm going to get out the other one because you're going to see I'm not. This is very nice. I put the other one ready to eat. And these baskets are very good to clean. Put in dishwasher or just in your with a tab is very easy. So I'm very pleased with my air fryer. So if you want to buy it, we have a link below, and I'm going to leave a link as well to our open box. You're going to see everything what we have inside and some cooking as well. So this is a very nice croque madame. So as you can see, as usual, it's very easy, cheap, and very economical with the air fryer to make dinner for 2, for 4, or whatsoever. So if you have any question, put in the comment below. I'm going to reply to you. And as usual, if you like the video, don't forget to push the thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel. This is help us to rank better in YouTube. So bon appétit, because we're going to eat now. Bon appétit, and see you next time. Bye.